Hey friends, almost all WordPress websites uses Contact Form 7 as form builder. Like this is a stunning website for personal portfolio and it is also using Contact Form 7 as form builder. So this is the Contact Form 7. Of course, Contact Form 7 is a easy to use and easy to integrate form builder for WordPress and it comes free, so it is being widely used since long. So I have seen in 90% WordPress themes uses Contact Form 7 by default, and it is rare that other plugins for form builder is being used, you can say. So, but Contact Form 7 has a major limitation. It never stores data in itself, I mean in the backend of WordPress or in the database, and it is difficult to style the form and to match with the theme using Contact Form 7 plugin alone. So Contact Form 7 always needs add-on in terms of add-on plugin or some additional line of code. So Flamingo is most widely used add-on option for storing the database. I mean storing the database, that is data that is being collected through the Contact Form 7. From the front end, of course, the Contact Form 7 shows a form in the front end and the data goes to email ID that is configured. So this is the major fallback that I consider with the Contact Form 7. It may be very good from the development perspective, but yes, data must be stored, as we may need the collected data for marketing purposes and various promotional activities. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very wonderful add-on which is called Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7, which offers us 20 plus free add-ons feature in a single plugin. So if we are going to use Contact Form 7, this is Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7, and this plugin is available for free. Yes, we can use this plugin for free, and even if you like to have the pro features, you can of course go for pro. So if we talk about this add-ons, so 30 plugins that can offer booking and appointment, conditional redirect and all such things. I'll take you to the backend of this installation, what this plugin is offering. The free and the pro part is segregated here. So altogether it offers 38 features for Contact Form 7, and I believe this can be a very good choice for all those websites, all those WordPress websites which is using Contact Form 7 as form builder. So it is a must-have plugin, and it is definitely offering all those things that we actually need in a form builder. So this is free first of all, and you can go with the pro one if it is required. So if we talk about the features that we can have free, so AI form builder is here, and the booking appointment is a pro feature. Conditional field, which is a very useful feature that we need to have with every form builder, it is available for free. Again, there is a pro option as well, like show and hide Contact Form 7 fields based on conditional logic. It is free, and if you are willing to use advanced conditional logic for elements like range slider, star rating, and the country drop down and IP geolocation, it is available in the pro version. Further, we have columns and grid for free, and we can have country drop down field separately as free. Yes, country drop down can be available free. And further, if we have conversational form, it is in pro, and columns width in pro. Similarly, the main thing for which I am discussing this plugin in this video, database collection. It is free and absolutely free forever, and it stores form data, and it offers view data in admin backend, and even offers feature to export the data in CSV format. Further, the pro version gives more options like respond to inquiries from the dashboard, and export submission data. So it can be an advanced version. Digital signature you can have for free. For the dynamic text, it is also widely being used nowadays, like jumping text or dynamic text, like retrieve dynamic data from website to be used in hidden fields, including URL, blog post, or user info and custom fields. So you can have this feature for free. Form styler is free. This is another thing that we always need with a contact form creator. The form builder. So it is free in this ultimate add-on for contact form 7. So you can style your entire form without any CSS coding, including colors, margins, button styles, and the font sizes. Further, form styler global is a pro. Front-end post submission is also pro. IP fields pro, and multi-step form. You may need this if you are creating a form that is having multiple fields. So it is always advised to make a multi-step form if form is long. So it is available for free. So you can create a stunning multi-step forms with the contact form 7, ideal for long forms and the surveys. Okay. And if we talk about further free options, MailChimp integration is free. This is also a most seeked thing. Further, we have placeholder styling, style form placeholder like text, color, background color without writing any CSS, PDF generate option, and the zipper webhook and the pre-populated field. Further, range slider we can have separately. Redirection after submission, the form redirects user to a thank you external page upon the submission. So this is also a good thing. So you can collect the data and further redirect the user to a destination page to show something more. And submission ID we can have, and star rating, and we have spam protection as well. So this is another very important feature that we always wish to have with a form builder. So this feature is highly effective in the preventing spam submissions on website, ensuring the integrity and the reliability of the submitted data. Okay, right. Telegram integration can be free. WooCommerce product drop-down is also free. So this is also a very important feature. So all these features that is available in free, that can be enough for our general website, a business website even. And if you are willing to have pro, of course, you have options. And if we talk about the actual installation, so this is a demo installation from the developer itself. So I have already installed this contact form ultimate add-on, and it is working fine for me. So if we are checking all forms, it is here. And for the like it is contact form 7, we can edit here. And for the additional settings we have, and the messages, mails, and the form. So it is all here, and we can definitely go for creating new form using this all options. So we have short codes like this is the radio buttons and all. So definitely this is going to give us a very, very interactive form, and we are going to collect the data that is coming through the front-end form. So I believe this feature is a must-have feature for all WordPress websites. And if you have any question regarding the customization of contact form 7, please do write in the comment section of this video or join us on the iCreate program. So in the next video, I'm coming with more features and resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.